How to fix the cell phone screen. You crack it with little cracks, just go on YouTube. There's 1,000 ways. Nail polish, crazy glue, plastic, packaging tape. You can even get covers, like protective screen covers for your smartphone. I don't recommend iPhone 12. Please don't buy something that's got so many bugs in it, they haven't worked it out yet. Okay? I do iPhone repair, okay? Don't buy iPhone 12. They haven't worked out the bugs yet. iPhone 8 is good. There is no iPhone 9. The 10 is good. We've got a few different models there. Stay away from the iPhone 12, please. It's got too many bugs in it. Hope you all have a great day. God bless.